Hello everyone and welcome to this week's video tutorial. This will be the 7th example from section 5 of chapter 10. We will be going over another elbow horse example. So without further ado, let us begin. A quick analysis of the board will show that red will have one chariot, one cannon, two horses, two pawns, and an opposite direction full guard. Black could have two chariots, one horse, and a full guard. Now it will be black's turn to move in this situation. So red will go for the elbow horse check, forcing the king out. Now the moves that follow are quite ingenious, and this is one of the many ways a two chariot one horse combination can attack. Now at this point in time, red would now capture the elephant. He will sacrifice itself to capture the elephant. But black would not dare to capture the horse, otherwise it will be an immediate checkmate. Check, checkmate. So that is why red would not dare to capture the black horse. Instead, he will have to retreat his chariot one move because the pawn is getting in the way, and he cannot play of 6 equals to 7 immediately. So black would continue his attack with r2 plus 8, threatening to capture the elephant for the double chariot checkmate. Red will protect the elephant in this manner, and once the chariot had moved out of the way, black would now play r1 equals to 4 to command this very important line. When black plays this move, he will be prepared to capture the red cannon. The red cannon, which is protected by the advisor, is now actually not protected, because if the black chariot captured the cannon, the advisor cannot move, otherwise the horse will be delivering a check. So the only move that red can play is to play r7 minus 1. But unfortunately, by this time, this chariot is shouldering too many responsibilities. He is protecting the elephant and protecting the cannon at the same time. So black could play r2 equals to 3 to sacrifice the chariot, which of course the chariot must take. And he would now play r4 plus 5 to take the cannon by force. Again, if this cannot be played, otherwise the horse will be delivering a check. So red can only move the king back into the palace, and red will go again for the elbow horse checkmate. As can be seen, the horse moved in, captured the elephant, and then attacked again. So this is a very beautiful kill, and I hope you've enjoyed it. Like the work that I've been doing, please do subscribe to my channel.